Good morning, my good people. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the like button. So this morning, what we are going to learn is on how to fillet. This is the fillet tools. If you want to fillet, this is it. That's the tool, see fillet. If you click on this arrow here, you see some other options, other things that you can do, chamfer, and then the blend curves. So we are going to be making use of all these theory tools. So let's draw a rectangle. See, this is a rectangle like this. Now if you want to fillet, you go to your fillet tools, you see, or you type F. Once you type F on Autocad, so you see the fillet sign, it will show up. Then you specify your radius. Let's use a radius of 1. Can you see? Then you click on enter again. You can see. So then you click on the side that you want to fillet. See, can you see? It has filleted. Can you see? Can you see? So let us now want to change the radius also. I can change the radius to another radius. I want to fillet it again, but I want it to be bigger than this. Then I can easily change it. Then I'll specify my radius to be 2. Can you see? Then I'll click on the side that I want to fillet. Can you see that it has increased the size? This one is smaller while this one is bigger. Can you see? Same thing if you want to use a chamfer tools, you also come to chamfer. See chamfer. So for the chamfer, you specify distance. This time around is distance that you specify, not radius. Distance, what's the distance that you want to use? Let's use a distance of 2. You first specify first chamfer distance. So second chamfer distance, let's also use 2. This is the first. Now I say first chamfer distance. This is the second line. Can you see? It has chamfer 8. So likewise, if you don't want this chamfer anymore, you can as well click on click like this. Click on that chamfer again. Then once you click on it, then you click on the distance. Then you specify the distance won't be 2 anymore. Then you just change it to 0. Then you click on enter again. Then it's 0 for the other one too. Then you click on enter. Then you select your line back. Can you see that it has returned it back? It has removed that chamfer. So same way, you can also do it in another way by pressing on your shift. Then you click on chamfer. Then if you click, then it will take it back to the origin. Thank you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the like button. So we are still going to be dropping more of this thing very soon.